want to make sure that the TV is unplugged and turned off. Next, you want to simply just use a microfiber cloth or a very clean, soft paper towel to wipe down the area. You do not want to use any harmful chemicals or products as it can damage or leave scratches on the electronic. For spots that are difficult to clean, you can spray a screen cleaner on the cloth and wipe down the area that needs the additional work. It is important to always have efficient lighting in the room so you can see different angles for any kind of scratches or any kind of damages that may occur during the cleaning. You want to dry off the screen with a microfiber cloth and take a look at it with proper lighting to make sure that the TV or plasma screen is completely clean.